Hello guys, starting this one back in my car. Today we're going to be adjusting the gear linkage on my Vauxhall Corsa D 1.2. Right, now you need to remove the gator, what goes around the gear stick. You just sort of pull in the corner. I grab the lever a bit, lift it up, and then you see this little white clip. You need to remove this, so that just pulls out like that. And then pull on this white tab upwards. It's fairly stiff, so you need to pull fairly hard, and then the gear stick just slides off. You get left with this. Pull this up and rotate 90 degrees, and then you just want to push it back down and across and into place, and that'll hold it into the adjustment position. So now we just need to go underneath the hood. Right, so now we need to go into the car. Just need to get underneath and loosen the T50 bolt underneath on the selector shaft, which I'll show you in a minute, and we're good to go. We just need to click into place, press the button. Right, let's get to it. Right, so now we're underneath the car. We need to get to this bolt just here. Helps if you loosen the fucking thing. There you go, and that's loose. You don't need to fully take it off, just enough to loosen it off the shaft, like so. Here's what I mean about you can just chuck it anywhere, literally just lob it between the engine and the fucking battery. Right, so the Haynes manual suggests you take the battery cover out. Nah, it's a load of effort that, and you don't really need to. But if you look down here, I'll just get some light. There, just here. You want to basically, this is the plunger for the gearbox, and it locks it in place. So you want to rotate this, which is for selecting, it's the selecting rod, and then press this once you've selected it into third gear, it says. And then after you've done that, we go back underneath the car, tighten that bolt back up to factory spec, and put the gear selector back on. So back again. As you can see, the rod's pushed in now. You need to make sure it's firmly pushed in, and that way you know it's on properly. Right, so now we're back underneath the car. You just make sure that this is in place, and then we need to just tighten it up. There we go. So should be tight enough now, but we'll check that later. Right, so now we're back in the car. You basically want to lift this lever up position and back to the normal position that it'll be in, and you push it down into place. Now get your gear lever and make sure it's obviously pointing to the front, so that'd be the front. Get pushed on, and then just push down into position where it normally is, like that, and then push this white tab down until it makes that noise. Then push this back on for reverse gear, like that. Then you should be done. Just make sure the button functions as it does, and yeah, we're all done now. You just need to take it for a test, really. That's about it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope it was helpful for you, because it's a common problem on these Vauxhalls, just shitty the selectors. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more things like this. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.